extensive exercise question number 2 of lesson 10. A 7-digit number 1992 with 3 blanks is divisible by 2, 3, 5, and 11. What is the smallest possible value of the number? So let's start from the ones digit because it's divisible by 2 and 5. So as for any number which is divisible by 5, the last digit must be 5 or 0. And it's still divisible by 2. That means the last digit must be an even number. So you cannot have 5. So the last digit must be 0. So that means this number is 1992. So we got 2 blanks. Let's use A and B to represent it. And 0. So now we know that this number must be divisible by 2 and 5. And now we have to meet these 2 requirements, 3 and 11. So if a number is divisible by 3, you have to add all the digits together. So if you add 1992 all together, what do you get, guys? If you add these 4 digits together, that will be 21. And you add A, and you add B, and you add 0. So it's no need to write 0. And we already know that 21 is divisible by 3. That means A plus B should be divisible by 3. And you want to get this number as small as possible. So if AB equals to 0, that would be better. But should we do that? We need to focus on this number 11. So if a number is divisible by 11, you have to add this alternate digit. So 1, 9, 8, and 0, add that together. What do you get? You got A plus 10. And then you have to add these 9 to B altogether. That will be B plus 11. Okay, so let's see if A equals to 0 and B equals to 0. Why do we need to try that? Because that way 21 plus 2 zeros is still divisible by 3, right? But is that possible? Will that give us a number divisible by 11? Of course not. Because you see, for this alternate sum, that will be 10 if A equals to 0. And for this alternate sum, B equals to 11. And we know that 11 minus 10 is 1. It's now divisible by 11, right? So you cannot use that. So what's going to be the next pair? To get the next pair, you need to get A plus B equals to 3. Since A and B cannot be 0, right? So if A plus B equals to 3. And what do you want? You want the difference of these 2 expressions is 0. Because 0 is also multiple of 11, right? So we know that A plus 10, if you use B plus 11 minus A plus 10 is 0, that means A must be 1 bigger than B. Is that possible to get that? Of course, it is possible. You just let A equals 2 and let B equals to 1. And that way, you see, B plus 11 will be 1 plus 11, which is 12. And A plus 10 will be 2 plus 10, which is also 12. And you use 12 minus 12, that gives you 0. And that makes this number a multiple of 11. So we're going to get the smallest possible value. And the number is just 1992, 2, 1, and 0. That's it. That's the solution to this question.